Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Twi language lesson. Today is another conversation translation. So this conversation is between Wendy Shay, who is an afropop, afrobeats singer. You might know one of her popular songs is Uber Driver, and Felicity Ama MacBrown, also known as Nana Ama MacBrown, who is an actress, a TV presenter, and I would actually add on a comedian because she's hilarious. And she has this cooking show in which she invites a lot of Ghanaian celebrities to come on and cook a dish of their choice. So I've picked out about 40 seconds of their conversation, and that's what we're going to listen to today. Remember, as I said, the purpose of these videos is to just give you the opportunity to hear Twi at normal speed and also add to your vocabulary, so don't be worried about understanding everything. I'll start off by playing the video twice, and then we can move on to the translations, and then at the end will be the quiz questions. If you have any feedback for me, please leave them in the comments section, and as always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and do leave some feedback or an emoji in the comment section if you enjoy this video and would like to see more like these.
Nah, Wendy.
Yes.
We are Germany and now we are Ghanaian.
But Germany, Ghanaian, but me new Germany. And I'm yeah, we Ghana haya.
Okay.
Me trying, but me di be 13 years. Me mama me papa nete Ghana hanu si yenyina se busia of course, but me papa wu ntem.
Oh no.
Nti owu ya na asitine mu abaye den amayen kakra. Nti na was me mama ye den ofrum na okope papa chan.
No the best support.
Nti ojaye ho no me di be 5 years na me nwa keto di mechi di be 2.5. Nti ojaye maye nana na later ekotina me auntie bi ho. Nah,
Wendy.
Yes.
We are Germany and now we are Ghanaian.
But Germany, Ghanaian, but me new Germany. And I'm yeah, we Ghana haya.
Okay.
Me trying, but me di be 13 years. Me mama me papa nete Ghana hanu si yenyina se busia of course, but me papa wu ntem.
Oh no.
Nti owu ya na asitine mu abaye den amayen kakra. Nti na was me mama ye den ofrum na okope papa chan.
No the best support.
Nti ojaye ho no me di be 5 years na me nwa keto di mechi di be 2.5. Nti ojaye maye nana na later ekotina me auntie bi ho.
So McBrown starts off by saying, "Na Wendy, we are Germany ni, ana we are Ghana ni. Na Wendy, we are Germany ni, ana we are Ghana ni." And all that means is, and Wendy, are you a German or a Ghanaian? Na, enna, ni, any, all mean and. We, are you, in the same way if someone says me, meaning I am. Germany ni or Germany just means German or German person. In the same way at the end she says Ghana ni, a Ghanaian person. Scottish ni, a Scottish or Scottish person. Ana is used in a sentence to mean or it is used at the end of a sentence to make it a question. So if McBrown had said, "Wendy, we are Ghana ni ana," she'd be saying, "Wendy, are you a Ghanaian?" ? So when it is used within a sentence, it's often used as or. However, if it is used at the end of a sentence, it makes it a question. Wendy then responds by saying, "Me pa chel, me a Ghana ni, nanso, me ni wo Germany, ena me te ho. Me pa chel, me a Ghana ni, nanso, Minyi wo Germany. Ena mete ho. All that means is, please, I am a Ghanaian, but I grew up in Germany and I live there. Me pa chel. Please, me ye. I am Ghanaian, a Ghanaian. Nanso means but. Minyi, I grew up in Germany. Enna, and mete ho. Mete, I live, I stay. Ho is there, and I stay there. McBrown then goes on to say, ye wo ho ana winyi wo ha. Ye wo ho ana winyi wo ha. What that means is, were you born there or did you grow up over here? Wo. Gave birth. Were you giving birth to? So as much as wo means you or your, wo also means to birth, to give birth. Ho is there. Ho is there. Ana or winyi. You grew up. Wo ha. You grew up here. Ho is there. Ha is here. Wendy responds by saying, Yewo me wo Ghana haya. Yewo me wo Ghana haya. That means I was born right here in Ghana. Wo me. Birth me, given birth to, I was born. Ghana haya. Haya is like right here. Haya. Ghana haya. Ha is here. And McBrown responds by saying, okay, and the tree for that is yo. So this section is quite long, so I hope you can follow me through this. And bear in mind, because it is a conversation, she's thinking on her feet and she's trying to articulate her words as best as she can in the moment. But it doesn't come out as smoothly as the textbook format of speaking tree, but we'll definitely still get a good translation from this. So Wendy responds by saying, me pachel ani, but me di beye 13 years. Se me mami ni me papa ne te Ghana ha. Yen nyina se ebusuafo. Of course, but me papa wu ntem. Me pacho ani, but me di beye 13 years. Se me mami ni me papa ne te Ghana ha. Yen nyina se ebusuafo. Of course, but me papa wu ntem. All that is saying is, yes, please. But when I was about 13 years old, so my mom and my dad lived here in Ghana with us all. Of course, as a family. But my dad died early. So what to take from this is, at the age of 13, she was living with both parents here in Ghana, but then her father passed away. Me pacho I. Yes, please. Please, yes. Me di beye 13. Me di beye. Beye is like around or about roughly 13 years old. Me mami ni me papa. my mom and dad. Te or ete or tna means to live or to stay. Ghana ha, here in Ghana. Yen nyina, all of us, ebusiafo, family members or family people. Me papa, my father, wu entem. Wu entem. He died early. If we say obiewu, someone has died, someone has passed away. Entem on its own can mean quickly or fast. Let's say a mother is telling a child to do something. Oh, yen entem, do it fast, hurry up. But in relation with this sentence, owu entem, he died early. Wu entem, my father died early. McBrown responds by saying, oh no. And then Wendy continues and says, inti owu yeno na asetnemu beye ding ama yen kakra. Inti owu yeno na asetnemu beye ding ama yen kakra. So what that is saying is, yeah, so when he died, or as a result of his death, that is when life, or that is when living became a little hard or a little difficult. Is, I don't think it's a Ghanaian thing. It's an African thing, but I think it's even wider than that. If someone is giving you some gossip, some tea, you're like, like continue, Or it can be used as a way of agreeing with someone. So if someone said, whoa, so she took the money, she took it, yep, she took it. So in that sort of way. Enti, so owu ye, when he or she died, asitnamu, tnamu, life or living, ebeye, became ding, hard or difficult, mayeng, for us, mayeng, for us, kakra, a little. So when he died, life or living became difficult for us. So Wendy continues and said, enti ewo se me maame yeden ofrimu na okope. She didn't finish her sentence and McBrown finished it for her. But she said, enti na ewo se me maame yeden ofrimu na okope. So what this is saying is, so therefore my mom needed or had to leave or travel so she could go and get or go and find. This bit that says yedeng is a sort of rhetorical question. So she was saying, so as a result, my mom needed to leave to do what? To go and find. So one of those sort of rhetorical questions. So enti, so me mame, my mom, ofrimu really means someone has died. So she didn't use the right word for her mom having left or traveled. She could have said me mommy too crying, but I wouldn't advise you to use ofrimu to mean someone has left or traveled, because it really means death. So she just used it here, but I know that she used the wrong word. But I still understand what she was trying to say. Okope, to find, in search of. And then McBrown finishes her sentence for her and says, Oko bo bra. Oko bo bra. Which just means to to go and make a living or to find greener pastures. And Wendy responds by saying, "Epacho, aye, yes, please." McBrown then said, "Na or the best support mo. Na or the best support mo. To use to support you, to use to support us with." So in search of these greener pastures or in search of making a living, the purpose was to support us. So mo is you but plural, whereas wo is singular. Then Wendy says, "Enti ojaye hompo. Ojaye hono. Na me di bese 5 years. Na me nua ketwa odi mechi beye 2.5. Enti ojaye hompo. Ojaye hono. Na me di bese 5 years. Na me nua ketwa odi mechi beye 2.5. So what that's saying is, so she left us here, or she even left us. Impo means even. When she left us here, I was roughly 5 years old, and my younger sibling, who comes after me, was about 2.5. So let's go from NT. So Ojayeng left us. Remember, Jai on its own is to stop. We did a video on that. Jai sa, stop that. Beye or bese 5 years, around about roughly 5 years. Minua ketwa, minua ketwa, my sibling younger, literally. So my younger sibling, Odimechi, who follows me, who follows after me, just basically the sibling after me, the person who was born after me. Beye 2.5 was around or was about or was roughly 2.5 years old. So McBrown responds by saying okay, which is yo. And then finally Wendy says, "Enti ojayeng mayenana ena later ye kotna me anti biho." Enti ojayeng mayenana ena later ye kotna me anti biho. What that saying is, so she left us with our grandparents, and later we went to stay with one of our aunties. Enti ojayeng. So she left us. Yeng nana, our grandparents. Ena later ye call. And later we went. So later really should be ena echire. Someone let me know, how would you spell echire, which is later? I won't give you. You should know. Echire. Yeko tna ye auntie biho. Tna ye auntie biho. Want to live, want to stay with one of our aunties. Ye auntie biho. Test yourself. Nanso. Asitna mu. Ofrimu. Nia ketwa. Mete kumase. How do you say or in tree? How do you say later in tree? Yewo wahifa. Leave your answers in the comment section.